Alright, what's going on, y'all? We back. Another little video for the LS Broham. We got a box of goodies that came with it. Actually, a couple boxes and some baggies. Show you what we got. Let's get into it.
I be looking good. I be gripping brain, nigga. I be gripping wood. Okay. Hey, my seven. I'm gripping in my seven. Okay. I'm flossing in my seven. I'm riding in my seven.
Alright, so as you can see here, a box of goodies that came with it. Some of it, I mean, it belong with it, you know what I'm saying, but during disassembly, you know what I'm saying. This thing right here, it's gonna be the rear bumper fillers, you know what I'm saying, got them on dick for the back. So those should go in there quite nicely. Let's see. Oh, I think I grabbed the wrong side. Of course I would. Of course I would grab the wrong damn side. But yeah. So there goes. Back off in there, something like that. Something like that, I don't know. I'm gonna have to flip it, play with it, reverse it. But yeah, so got them bad boys there. Also, as he was disassembling, man, he got everything labeled, bro. Like this gonna make life so much easier. Got the grill assembly, bolts and nuts, header panel pretty much. I got all the clips for the rocker panels. Even got the clamshells, bro, out the old engine. Now that is gonna be priceless, bro, because from here, all I gotta do is buy the adapter plates from LSX Innovation, where I use the code LSCR free ship. Once again, that code is LSCR free ship to get free shipping on your order from LSX Innovations. Of course, you know, that's the emblem, headlight bezel bolts, front door window trim bolts, grill and headlights. Bro, this is like the best. Have y'all ever bought a car and it been so damn organized, even if stuff was off of it? It don't get no better than this. Shout out to E. Rocket trim, bolts, windshield trim, clips, those off and everything. Then you got rear rocket trim. Yeah, everything is there, bro. Everything's there. Hood bolts. Bro, he even got directions. He's like hood bolts, one inside right side fender. So now we know when we go to pull this thing apart or look for one of them hood bolts or match it up. I might just match it up, but if I did want to go deep sea diving for it, it's down there somewhere. Probably could fish it out with a magnet. And then we got the upper light screws. And then we got front marker lights. Everything's there. I'm gonna probably buy another set of these brand new, like I did for the box Chevy over there. So, just, you know, put some new on it. But yeah, man, these are things that's gonna make life so much easier when it comes to, you know, doing what we gotta do. Like I said, I'll probably go ahead and order them adapter plates ASAP. Just because that'll be one less thing that we gotta do. I mean, technically, okay, I guess this is the part where I go ahead and I give y'all, or I unveil the plan for this swap, right? So you know how I'm coming. LS Motor. It's a couple things that I'm planning on doing different this time though, just because I kind of hate repetition and doing the same thing more than once. C10 build was a 350 trans. So yeah. Alright, so this box Chevy, very first one, 4L60E, 5.3 4L60E, bone stock tune, whatever. Boom. There that is. Then I got this one over here, 5.3 with a 350 trans in it. Boom to that one. Bone and rolling, you know what I'm saying? A little interior model stuff done by Cortez, rest of mine. Shout out to Cortez. He was with us when we went to go get this one. Since then, he done picked up a C10, and now A-Ball has his MJG. You know what I'm saying? That's my dog. And then in this one, we went not a 4, but this one we went 6.0, built by yours truly. Stage 2 cam, 243 heads. This was a little special build, you know what I'm saying? This one has a place in our hearts. You know what I mean? This one has a place in our hearts, damn it. Well, yeah, but it's pretty much mild build, I guess you could call it. Mildly built 6.0 with 350 behind it. You know what I'm saying? Just rocking out like that. So with this one, this is how we coming. This is the vision. You know what I'm saying? The vision for it. No, this is not the turbo build. I don't know if I've announced it by this point. I probably have by the time y'all see this video. This is not the turbo build. The turbo build is gonna be the C10. If I haven't announced it by the time you see this video, then surprise, the C10 is getting a turbo. So this build is gonna be pretty straightforward. This build is gonna be pretty straightforward. After we get off in here and clean everything up and et cetera, then we can go ahead and set the motor off in there. But basically, we're gonna do 4L60E or 4L80E. Don't know for sure which one yet. Probably just gonna be a 60E, because this is gonna be a cruiser. This is not the one. You know what I'm saying? This is not the one. So just a little light cruiser, you know what I'm saying? But this one I do want to kind of take anywhere. You know what I'm talking about? I mean, as I do all of them, but you know what I'm saying? Like, I mean, this is more of like a, you can get to smoke if you want it. This is just a cruise around town too, though. And then this is like a cruise around town photo. And then that's gonna be like, bitch, you wanted some smoke? Let me go get some smoke for you. And I come back with the turbo C10. So that's the plan for that, as far as that goes. But yeah, there's a couple things I'm gonna try to do different in that setup, man. Usually I would have the battery cable running over to this side and the battery and everything would be on this side like that. But this time I think I'm gonna do it different. I'm gonna leave the battery on this side, run the cable back there and go from there. I think that's the way I'm gonna do it. I'm not 100% sure. It will be different, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I think I'm gonna do that differently. So battery be on this side, Of course, this charcoal canister, whatever, that should have come out. Then we can run our little cold air intake over here or whatever. So, or we might just put it back on this side. But that's another thing. We're going with a different bracket. We're not going with the stock alternator AC bracket or alternator and power steering bracket. We're going with the one that we got from Cortez. Cortez gave it to us a while ago to put on this build. I just never got around to tearing this car back down, to putting it on there. But now I done got this car, I'ma just put it on there. Boom. Also thinking about running the car water pump. Yeah, cheapo finna splurge a little. Run the car water pump, possibly LS1 or the LS6 intake. Probably gonna be closer to the LS6 because, yeah, I don't know. I just feel like it's gonna be probably that one versus. I feel like it's gonna be that one versus the one that this one is. So yeah. Like I said, I just want to do something different, go a different route. At the end of the day, it's gonna just, I guess, kind of decide on how much, or how much, or if I'm able to run into these certain parts. At this point, I have like two or three truck intakes up there. I might end up using that dormant truck intake that I got from my boy Cortez. But I really want to go with the car stuff. So if I go 4-bolt, or if I go with the LS6, it'll be a 4-bolt. If I go LS1, it'll be a 3-bolt throttle body. So that might even open up some options to go with like a larger throttle body, 92, 100, whatever, I don't know, like, we gonna have to see. I heard some shits be whistling and shit, but like I said, I wanna do something different this time. So this is what we do when we do it different. This is what we do when we do it different. So, we are gonna run AC. As you can see, all the AC components is there. We're just gonna run those. Too easy. So this car will have the AC. Will have the car set up, which will get rid of my beloved returnless system, but I ain't tripping. Corvette fuel filter, like, I do this shit, like, for real. Like, I just don't be doing it for other people, but I do this shit. So, this time I probably will be running braided line or whatever. I don't know, man. I don't know, cause it's been. I have been doing this fucking return style so long, man. I don't know. We'll see. But the plan, like I said, the plan is to run the returnless fuel system this time with the car intake, car water pump, LS3 water pump, which will align with the truck accessories. I guess I'm gonna have to break bread and go ahead and get an oil pan, because the truck oil pan, while it will work, quote me, while it will work, it will hang below the crossing level. You know what I'm saying? Honestly, the one I got now, that Hummer oil pan, kind of hangs below the cross member, but barely. And I'm up on 24, so it really don't matter as much. So keep that in mind as well. If you had the larger wheels on there, then you may or may not really care or want to worry about, your oil pan thing. So I'm probably gonna go find one of them Holley knockoff pans off of eBay. eBay is definitely gonna be my best friend on this build, cause like I said, we're doing a lot of things out the box And then, you know, we got our other unofficial place that we get parts from. You know what I'm saying? I ain't even gotta say nothing. So I can't wait, man. It's gonna be epic. Gonna be awesome. I can't wait till we hit the milestone so y'all can see the video. I'm excited. I've been excited for months now. But now y'all get to see what I was like happy on the inside about. LS trifecta coming together, baby. Coming together. So appreciate y'all for watching, man. It's your boy LS 254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choice to choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. And remember, the hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop. Gone.